Sacred geometry is often referred to as the architecture of the universe, connecting specific geometric shapes and proportions with sacred and symbolic meanings. See, these ancient secrets have captivated the minds of individuals across the globe, holding within them deep magic and mystery. So come with me, let's travel back in time to ancient civilizations that understood the spiritual and magical significance of geometric patterns and the interconnectedness of all things. See, they believed that the universe itself possessed a harmonious and balanced structure, a belief that we can still witness in the intricate patterns found throughout nature, even at a microscopic level. What makes sacred geometry so intriguing, especially to me, is its ability to engage and satisfy both hemispheres of the brain simultaneously. It fulfills the right brain's desire for intuitive and feeling-based characteristics, while also meeting the left brain's needs for sequential and logical data. This is why artists and philosophers like the great Leonardo da Vinci and Carl Jung utilize the power of sacred geometry in their work. All of us, from a young age, we learn to recognize shapes and patterns as building blocks for our consciousness. They help us form ideas, shape our identity, learn language, and create our perception of reality. Shapes are inherently linked to our recognition, perception, and expression in life. Pattern recognition plays a very crucial role in our consciousness, influencing how we shape our reality through thoughts and the meaning we derive from synchronistic experiences. These patterns are observed and organized as we navigate the physical world and the energetic realm of our consciousness and subconsciousness. They assist us in perceiving common threads and interconnectedness within our intelligent and vibrant universe. Welcome to the channel. My name is Dre. I'm a meditation coach. If you haven't grabbed it already, I have a free guided meditation in the description. It is my inner sanctuary meditation. It is there to guide you from starting points. This is the beginning process to find that centered space and begin your spiritual journey. Go ahead and grab it. It's absolutely free. It's in the description. I've pinned it to the comments. Enjoy. Now, let's delve deeper into this process of creating and using sacred geometry. Imagine the original source of consciousness floating in an infinite space, just blackness, devoid of objects or any direction. Within this void, the consciousness decides to expand itself, allowing movement to be observed. It moves in 6 directions: up, down, backward, forward, left, right. I think you could have guessed that already. Now, by connecting all the points of these directions, a shape called an octahedron is formed. When the octahedron is rotated on its axis, the points create a circle. This expansion of consciousness leads to the projection of new directions and the creation of new spaces. In sacred geometry, straight lines represent male energy, while curved lines represent female energy. The process of creation begins with a masculine form, followed by the feminine form. When identical spheres are created within this process, a significant geometrical shape called the Vesica Piscis is formed. Now, the Vesica Piscis contains information about width, depth, proportion, and even light. Interestingly, it can be found in the human body, particularly within the lens of the eye, which is responsible for focusing light. So this shape holds significance in the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza and the Sphinx, as well as other structures all over the world. Another fascinating aspect of sacred geometry is its connection to the golden ratio, which the human brain is naturally attracted to. So our entire body, including organs, follow these proportional patterns. The golden ratio can be observed in nature and even with the solar system. This further reinforces the concept of pattern recognition discussed earlier. As the process expansion continues, more spheres are created, leading to the formation of the seed of life. This sacred geometric shape is considered a universal symbol of creation, containing intelligent blueprints and encoded cosmology of consciousness within its proportions and harmony. It consists of 7 overlapping circles symbolizing the 7 days of creation, and 7 chakras, and mirroring musical scales and the colors of the rainbow. The expansion journey goes further until 13 are formed, giving birth to the fruit of life. This blueprint for all material things represent a transition between dimensions. Just like musical scales, there are 12 notes, but the 13th note is a repetition of the first note at a different frequency. They're called octaves, indicating a shift into a higher dimension. So when all the circles of the fruit of life, totaling 78, are connected, the sacred geometric pattern known as the Metatron's cube emerges. Now, Metatron, an archangel mentioned in various religious traditions, holds knowledge of the basic principles of creation. This formation contains all 5 platonic solids, which are fundamental to understanding the geometric laws that shape our physical reality. The expansion process doesn't stop there. It continues until 19 spheres form the flower of life, with the seed of life at its center. So this intricate pattern is considered so powerful and sacred that ancient civilizations forbade it from becoming common knowledge. It contains other significant patterns, such as the tree of life, reflecting the unity of all creation. The final shape I want to discuss is the 64-star tetrahedron, a masculine counterpart to the flower of life. The number 64 holds great significance in various aspects of life, such as human DNA, generations, and even computer programming. So when this pattern is placed atop the flower of life, it represents the fusion of space and time. Our journey through sacred geometry reveals the energetic nature of existence. See, they are a testament to the profound connection between consciousness and creation, a reminder that everyone originates from consciousness itself. As we explore the depths of sacred geometry, we realize that creation is the very essence of existence. Without it, nothing can ever happen. Our consciousness plays a pivotal role in this process, shaping our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions into tangible realities. Just as the ancient civilizations understood the spiritual significance of these geometric patterns, we too can tap into this knowledge to create a harmonious and balanced life. I invite you to embrace the magic and mystery of sacred geometry. Let us recognize its presence in the world around us and within ourselves, because by understanding these patterns, we gain insights into the fundamental principles of the universe, the blueprint of creation itself. Now, as you delve further into the exploration of sacred geometry, which I highly urge you to do, it is unreal. You may find inspiration, and you'll also find wisdom that resonates within the deepest essence of your being. My advice to you on this journey is to embrace the beauty and the intricacy of these ancient secrets, and may they guide you on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Just like the seed of life gives birth to the flower of life, so too can your thoughts and intentions give birth to your dreams and desires. This is exactly why I began teaching meditation. Your intentions, your thoughts, your beliefs, with the driving force of an emotion can, without a shadow of a doubt, 100% truly change the reality that you experience. As you navigate the path from rock bottom to bliss, like I always talk about, my journey took me from the bottom pits. Remember that meditation is the ultimate tool to unlock the power of your consciousness and reshape your reality. Don't get it wrong. Playing an instrument is beautiful, it's grounding, but it is not meditation. Sitting and smoking a cigar, having a really balanced moment is not meditation. Meditation is meditation. Nothing has the power to reshape your reality like meditation. Thank you for watching, my friend. If you think you're ready to take on one-on-one coaching, there's a link in the description. Book a discovery call with yours truly. We'll see if you're a good fit for the program. I hope to see you there. Or if you're not quite ready for coaching and you just want to tip your toes in the water, grab my Inner Sanctuary Meditation. It's free. It's right there in the description. It will be your starting point to actually transform and reshape your reality. Thanks again for stopping by. I will see you in the next video.